Hello everyone, welcome to my channel live underscore AlgoTrader. So today's format is a little different, and I know I've been away for a lot of time and I'm back. So what would I be doing today is we would be running a test on new algo. So I'm doing a live test on the algos that I developed previously. Yesterday I had also put up a poll um, asking the viewers if they would like to see me in action and if they would want to, have if they would prefer daily trades or if they want to trade hourly, a little bit aggressive strategy. So without further ado, let me just open up my browser so I can show you what's happening. Okay, so let me open up my dashboard. So yesterday, what did I ask? Okay, so I have my posts tab. Let me just read it out aloud for you if you haven't checked it out. Okay. Mm, okay, I cannot see my posts on this device for some reason. And I don't think I would be able to see my posts on other devices as well. Just give me 1 second to open up my posts. Visit channel. Okay, I don't know. Sometimes mm, the posts aren't available. Not sure why this happens. I'm simply unable to open it up. So give me one more minute. Yeah, the posts are unavailable. Okay. Anyway, uh, so let me start by what's happening. So I was supposed to check out the new strategies, the one with breakout for Nifty futures. But since today is a holiday and only the commodity markets are open to trade since the evening, uh, I'm testing it out in the evening session. Okay, so let me quickly open up the tabs, and currently I'm sitting at a PNL of 745. When I was testing these strategies, I was just executing for one single quantity. I rarely execute more than one quantity. Okay, so now these are the results for past hours. So what happens in the current strategy is, let me also open up the code if anyone would be interested. Um, as OPS Studio, PRP, VS Code. Okay, so I've programmed the bot to run, you know, for every hour. So now the next execution would be on 2106. So every hour there would the bot would identify a high and low as usual, and then uh, it would automatically set up a target so that we can quickly scalp and achieve the target. So let me go back to the browser and uh, and show you the results for the tests. So this is the recent test result. Okay, I executed it at 821, which was executed at a delay because obviously there were so many problems and bugs, and I'm still you know trying to overcome those bugs basically. ठीक है. So this is where I'll just take a ruler, it's not needed. Yeah, so this is where we entered at 311.50, and we made an exit at 310.60. But as you can see that there is still some edge, right? I mean, from the uh, other trades that I am looking at, we can take a profit for 4 points on an average, but the profit that we took was way less, right? I think a point or barely a point. Yeah, so this is one of the learning, so I might increase this area so we would be more profitable, but that's a discussion for another time. I'm just testing it, and for now I would be testing it on a smaller stop losses and smaller take profits, so that I don't incur a lot of losses, and there are no more errors. Because because the last time I executed it went into a loop and there were so many orders placed. So I'm still testing the algo and going through the bugs. Okay, okay, so for zinc there's no execution. Oh, there is. So let me cancel these orders. What about silver? Okay, so for silver, I took an entry at 91,625, and then I sold at 91,760 and took an entry over and you know took an exit at this point. Let me quickly calculate what's happening over here. Okay, just give me 1 second. Give me a moment. Let me get the link for the stream. And okay, so for silver, let's just go here, 91,760 and 91,625. So this is how many profits we have booked, and now again it has executed a trade for silver, and let's see if it is able to make the profit. Let's see. Okay, and then what I did was, so yeah, and then somewhere over here, right, there was one more buy executed, but as you can see the market went down, but it did come up, and over here I was able to exit. So I'm doing well with silver. Now another trade has been activated. Let's just watch it for a while. I'm not sure. Um, if the market goes as per the trade, I'll wait. If it goes against, then okay, I'll switch to the next commodity. Okay, so we are out of the trade. Mm, I am sitting at a PNL of 880. I doubt these two orders are going to get executed. So bye bye. And in future, the bot should automatically identify the orders have been completed and cancel these stray orders. Okay, so I've cancelled it on by myself. Okay, so I think we have already visited zinc, nothing here. Silver, I'll give you the final count on where I took an entry and what did I make, because there are too many entries on silver. Natural gas, okay, and crude oil, okay, yeah. So that's it. So I don't have any more entries, but let me quickly grab my phone and put it in the chat on what was the buying for silver and what is the exit, so as to calculate the points we made. So give me 1 second. I'll put it into the chat. Okay. So silver trade summary. Okay. So I have purchased four quantity of silver at 91,657. And let me open up the calculator. So I give 91,657 and I sold it at 91,760. So that gives me 100 points for silver, and multiplying it with four quantity, I have like 400. I made some 400 bucks in a couple of minutes. For natural gas, uh, I took an entry at 310.60 and took an exit at 311.50. So barely 1 point. And then for crude oil, where's crude oil? Yeah. So for crude oil, this is what I did. Trade summary is 5,131 and 5,142. Again, 10 points. But looking at this one, right? So the the average trade duration is too less, and I mean 2 bars, right? So 2 minutes, 2 minutes I was able to make 10 points over here. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me put it up so you can check it out. Okay, 2 minutes. This is from here to here. Then 3 minutes for natural gas. Um, silver took some more time. Okay, 3 minutes. So the average trade duration now amounts to like 3 minutes, and I am able to make consistent profit. So that's good. So now I need to go back and look at the back test. Maybe we can increase the scope, increase the level where we can make more money, right? With the scalp, or I might keep it the way it is, depending on how the back tests show up. But I think for natural gas and um, okay, not crude oil, but I think, yeah, for natural gas, I think we might be able to increase looking at the chart. Yeah, I'll check it out and let you know. So that's it for today. This is what I was working on for last couple of uh, weeks because I wasn't able to make consistent profits using the previous strategy, um, and it required some manual effort sometimes. But this one looks promising, and again, I'll be testing it out thoroughly. And this one more addition that I've made over here is I've opened up the code so that um, uh, others can also use this platform. Since I've started streaming, I got multiple requests from my friends that they wanted to use this platform. So I had to implement a few changes where everyone should be able to uh, use it with their own account. So there's no dependency on me. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you did like it, please don't forget to leave a like, and if possible, please do subscribe if trading and uh, algo trading is one of your interests. Thank you and bye.